Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a small crafty haul. The rest of the Stamp Market ink pads came in, so I'm very excited about that. I'm going to do a separate video on those, so I'm not going to go through them with you guys today. I have a video that I want to do and in a fun way, so stay tuned for that. So the stuff I have here, this embossing folder is from Eileen Hall, and this is called Lace. Look at that detail. It is a very pretty embossing folder. It's an A5 size, so it's a really good size embossing folder. I also picked up, she has these bundles in her shop on her Etsy store. I will link it down below for you guys. She also had these scoreboard dies, and this one is the mini book. She also has another one, the box die, but I believe I already have that in my stash. I think it's an older die from her collection. These super cute flowers are from Frank Garcia, and these are from the Little Birdie collection. Look how pretty these are. Love the colors. I picked up 3 of those packets, 3 of those, and then 3 of these. Look how pretty these are. Very pretty colors, and they were really inexpensive too. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. And Lisa Horton, I love her, some of her rose embossing folders. These are brand new. She came out with these. This one is the background of roses, and it's 5x7. Look how pretty that is. And then this one is the Rumbling Wood Grain Rose embossing folder. How pretty. So I'm very excited to add these to my rose collection from her brand. And then from Paper Tray Ink, they had this Weather It Together set, and these are umbrellas. And then I did pick up the stencils, and this is what they make. How cute is this for summer projects? And then they do have the coordinating die as well. And then from Pretty Pink Posh, I only picked up this stencil set, and makes little bunnies, even though Easter is this Sunday. It'll be nice for next year. And then also from Pretty Pink Posh, this cupcake set right here. On my last haul, I forgot to share some stamps with you guys. These stamps are from Holtz, and these are the Cirque collection stamps. These are the, let me see. This just says alphabets. Anyway, these are the larger set, and this one is a smaller set right here. So on this one you only get 1 sheet of stamps, and on this one you do get 2 since these stamps are a little bigger. But look how neat this font is. I love it. And then also this Mr. Rabbit stamp. I forgot to share this one with you as well. It's very cute. So that's it for my haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.